All right, let's check out how to create an activity in Guild Manager. First, click on Create Event. Then, pick a category. There are plenty to choose from, but for this example, we'll go with World Boss. Next, select the type of activity. Add a title, and if you want, throw in a description too. Finally, you can even set the activity as mandatory for any members that are online. Now let's set the date and time for when the activity is going to take place. We'll go with 12 p.m. in this example. Next, choose an estimated duration and add a 15-minute threshold for players to join. You can also make this a recurring event daily, weekly, or monthly, but for this example, we'll keep it simple and make it a one-time activity. All right, next up, we'll set the participant limits. You can even use a party preset with pre-assigned members, but we'll cover that feature in detail in the next video. For now, just set a minimum number of participants, and you can also choose if it requires a sign-up for check-in. Next, let's set up the check-in method. You've got a few options here. Manual check-in, where officers can register attendance themselves, or PIN code check-in. But honestly, I recommend going with voice tracking. Just pick a voice channel, and the Discord bot will automatically mark attendance for you. It's one of the best features in Guild Manager. Now let's set up event notifications. Choose which roles in your guild should get a reminder, and then pick the exact time you want that reminder to be sent. You can even create multiple reminders if needed. And the best part? This activity gets published automatically in your guild's Discord. Finally, you can choose from the default rewards your guild has set up for this type of activity, or customize the rewards your members will receive. It's totally up to you. In Discord, you'll see this message pop up. From here, you can choose not attending, tentative if you're not sure yet, or just go ahead and sign up directly. With the command/activity list, you can check all the upcoming activities that are still pending. Super handy to keep track of everything going on in your guild. And in the web app, you'll find this calendar view where all your guild's planned activities are neatly organized in one place. And just like that, you've created an activity for your guild. Super easy, and now your members can stay organized without any extra effort. That's the power of Guild Manager.